Welcome to our custom space where dreams take flight. A positive visions come to life. It's a perfect sight. We bond together, bloom.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel Custom Carving and Epoxy UK, and it is now January, so January 2025, and I've just realised we haven't done one of our perks yet because it wasn't a full month in December for membership. But I'm going to do it anyway. So I wanted to do, and this is going to be monthly for any channel members, you're automatically going to be entered into a prize draw to win a piece of my art and get it shipped to you wherever you are in the world. So we're going to do that now. So all you need to do to take part is be a member of the channel and support us, and I really appreciate everybody that has so far. So we're going to go across to the computer now. We're going to do a Wheel of Fortune style picker, so it is completely random as to who's won that prize and as to what it's going to be. So we're going to get over to the computer now, and don't forget guys, if you want to be part of this and support the channel, all you need to do is click on the link in the description and join channel membership. So let's get over to the computer and let's find out who our first winner is going to be. So here we go guys, and all the members, current channel members that are members on the YouTube membership have now been entered into this wheel of names. So I've got no impact on who is going to win. I've just noticed a spelling error there. Apologies. That's now fixed. And we're going to spin the wheel to see who wins the first monthly prize draw for Custom Carving and Epoxy UK. Then we're going to do another spin to see what prize you've won. So good luck everyone, and let's spin that wheel. Oh, can you feel the tension? And Denise Crossland, you have won the first prize draw. There's going to be one of these every month, so there will be another one at the end of January. I've only done this one because we didn't do one in December, and I thought it was only right to do one. So now let's go to the next part, finding out what your prize is going to be, Denise. So here we go guys, and it's time to see what Denise has won. And don't forget, if you want to be part of this, all you need to do is be a channel member and you're going to be automatically entered every month. I'm excited to see what you're going to win. So here we go. Boom! And you have won a keyring, Denise. So congratulations. All you need to do is send me an email or drop a message in here, and then we'll make contact. I think we've already emailed each other anyway in the past. So drop me an email just with your the fact that you want the prize, and obviously if you're comfortable, give me your address and I'll get that handmade keyring posted out to you. Once again, well done. And if you haven't won this time, all you need to do is stay a member and you're going to be entered every month. The next draw is going to be at the end of January, and I just think it's a fun way to help sort of say thank you to all of you members that are supporting the channel. So congratulations again, Denise, for this month, and I'll see you guys on the next prize draw. And don't forget, if you want to be involved, all you need to do is be a channel member. So click the link in the description and join channel membership. It's exciting. We've had our first winner and there's going to be many more this year. So apart from that, have a great 2025 and I'll see you all on the next video. And I just wanted to close this video off, if Reggie lets me, by just saying thank you so much to those of you that are already channel members, and it makes such a difference. I'm hoping to do this longer term. This channel is going to be around for years to come, and the only way it's going to grow is with you members helping support the channel. It helps me buy new equipment, new resin, everything for the channel to keep it growing, and I'm really focused on growing the channel over the next few years to become one of the most popular positive resin communities out there. So thanks again, and if you're not already a member, just click on the link in the description and join membership. It's as simple as that. See you guys on the next one.
New creations.